Welcome to this sleep meditation for attracting money and removing abundance blocks. To fully align with prosperity, I recommend listening to this meditation every night for a month to remove all blocks and open yourself to wealth and abundance. After a month, listening just 2 to 3 times a week will keep you in a powerful state of attraction and flow. Now let's start by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow and deep breath in. Then gently exhale, releasing any tension from your body. Begin to relax, allowing all thoughts to drift away as you focus on this moment. To bring you into an even deeper state of relaxation, we'll go down a set of 10 steps. With each step down, you'll feel more at ease, more calm, and ready to release any barriers to abundance. Let each step take you into a peaceful state where you are open and ready to receive the flow of prosperity. Imagine yourself at the top of a beautiful staircase with 10 steps leading down into a beautiful space. As we go down, feel each step take you deeper into relaxation. Take a deep breath and step down onto the first one, feeling a wave of calm wash over you. Step 9, moving down to the next step, notice your body becoming softer, more relaxed. You're letting go of any thoughts or worries. Step down once more, feeling tension melting away, replaced with a soothing sense of peace. Going deeper, your breath slows, and you feel a comforting warmth surrounding you. With each step, you enter a deeper, more tranquil state. Your mind calm, your heart is open. Halfway down now, feeling so light, so at ease. Any remaining tension simply fades. Sinking even deeper, you are now reaching a deeper level of relaxation, entering the theta state, where the mind and spirit are perfectly aligned. With this step, you feel all outside distractions disappear. You only focus on relaxation and peace. Almost at the bottom, your body, mind, and soul are completely relaxed, open and ready to release any barriers to abundance. Take this final step down, arriving in a space of deep serenity and calm. You are fully open, fully at peace, in a beautiful state of complete relaxation. Now that you are fully relaxed and open to receiving, let's begin clearing any blocks to your abundance. Now, as you breathe slowly, imagine a warm golden light appearing at the top of your head. This light is the energy of abundance and prosperity, a soothing, healing light that flows from the universe to you. As this golden light touches the top of your head, feel it begin to spread, gently releasing tension from your scalp, your forehead, and your face. Allow this warm, abundant light flow down your neck, relaxing your shoulders, softening your chest, and calming your heart. It flows down each arm and hand, bringing a deep sense of peace. This golden light continues moving through your torso, your hips, your legs, and finally down to your toes. You are now wrapped in this comforting energy, surrounded by the light of abundance. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, set a clear intention to remove any blocks and welcome the free flow of wealth into your life. Say to yourself, I am open and ready to receive. As you settle into this peaceful state, gently turn your attention to any blocks or beliefs that may be keeping wealth from flowing freely. These blocks may have been with you for years, rooted in your own experiences or beliefs passed down from family and those around you. Know that these blocks once served a purpose. They may have protected you in some way, but now it's safe to release them. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine any thoughts or beliefs that say, I'm not worthy, or I don't deserve this, simply dissolving. Picture these thoughts as dark clouds and watch as they drift away, vanishing in the golden light surrounding you. Let each breath release these old ideas. Now say to yourself, I release all beliefs, old and new, that no longer serve my highest good. I am ready to welcome abundance. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, as if a weight is lifting, leaving you with a renewed sense of freedom and openness. As you continue breathing gently, repeat these affirmations in your mind, letting them settle deeply within you. Feel each affirmation aligning you with the energy of abundance. Money flows to me freely and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial success and security. I attract wealth from all directions and sources. Money loves me and I love money. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am a magnet for prosperity and financial growth. My financial success brings joy and freedom. Money flows to me freely and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial success and security. I attract wealth from all directions and sources. Money loves me and I love money. I'm grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I'm a magnet for prosperity and financial growth. My financial success brings me joy and freedom. Take a deep breath in, allowing these words to settle in like seeds being planted in fertile soil. Now imagine your life filled with abundance, a life where financial security is woven into every part of your being. Visualize your bank accounts filled with more than enough to support all your needs and desires. Picture yourself free of worry and stress, able to pursue your passions and give generously to those you love. In this vision, see yourself living with freedom and confidence. Imagine all your financial goals achieved, your dreams realized, and your future bright. Feel the deep peace and gratitude in your heart as you see yourself in this abundant, prosperous life. Take a few moments here, experiencing this vision fully. See yourself surrounded by wealth, opportunity, and joy, knowing this abundance is your true nature. Continue breathing deeply as you repeat these affirmations, allowing each one to bring you closer to your natural state of wealth and prosperity. I am open to receiving wealth in expected and unexpected ways. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am financially free. I am grateful for the opportunities to attract wealth. Every day I attract more money and abundance into my life. Prosperity is drawn to me in all forms. I am deserving of financial security and success. I am open to receiving wealth in expected and unexpected ways. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am financially free. I'm grateful for the opportunities to attract wealth. Every day I attract more money and abundance into my life. Prosperity is drawn to me in all forms. I'm deserving of financial security and success. Let each affirmation sink in, feeling these words echo through your being, creating a powerful, positive vibration within you. As you breathe deeply, know that any remaining blocks are gently lifting, dissolving in the golden light around you. Each exhale releases old limitations, making way for new opportunities and financial growth. You are now free, open, and aligned with abundance. This golden light is wrapping you in a blanket of warmth and protection, encouraging a deep, restful sleep. As you drift into sleep, this light will continue working, drawing prosperity into your life and clearing any lingering belief that no longer serve you. Allow yourself to relax further, letting go of any remaining tension. With each breath, you sink deeper into this peaceful, restful state. Your mind and body recharging, realigning with the flow of abundance. And as you sleep, you are welcoming wealth into your life. Tonight, you are safe, you are secure, and you are ready to receive. Sleep deeply, knowing that you are loved, supported, and worthy of the abundance that is already on its way to you. Good night.